Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video on Glossybox, and I've got mine a few days back and I wanted to show you this month what I've got. Everything you need to know about the Glossybox I will be linking down below, or you can just click right here and see my previous video. So now let's see what I've got this month. And as always, they have this magazine inside with the products that I've got with a bit of description on them. So now I have here, this is a face mask, a hydrating intensive mask. I haven't used this brand before. It's the SOUCIS, SOUCIS. I don't know how you pronounce that. I've used some face masks like that from Neutrogena and they work pretty well. So I think I'll have to give it a try and see if it works. I'll let you guys know. So moving on, I have, it's by Rituals. It's a velvety smooth cleansing foam, moringa and holy lotus, and it smells amazing. Just have to try that out. So the next product would be a shimmer oil. This one is by BELLAPIERRE cosmetics, and it says you can use it on your face, body and eyes. Try that out. Wow, that is beautiful shimmer. Now that I like. It has like this nice shimmery finish, which is pretty nice. And it's so small, you know, you can put it in your bag. It's just brilliant. The next thing I have here is a makeup brush cleanser. That is really nice, and thank you very much, Glossybox. This one's by BODYOGRAPHY Pro, so I think I'll have to try that. Let me see if I have any dirty brushes here laying. Yeah, here I have one. It says to directly spray into your brush. Okay, and then just clean that onto the paper.
Okay, so this is how it comes off.
And my brush seems to be quite clean. Now that is nice. This is a nice product. I love it. The last product will be a lip plump.
Now that I need in my life, because those lips are like, you know, like tiny lights. So this might be my savior.
So I don't know. It's by SKINCHEMISTS London. It has peppermint oil, and it aims to make the lips look plumper and smoother. Let's try that. This is how it looks like. Let me take off my lipstick first. To use, it says here, smooth evenly over lips as needed, may be used under lipstick or alone. Okay, sounds easy enough. And it smells like peppermint. The last time I've tried something like that, it was this one by Too Faced. I think it's called lip injection, but I don't know. It was quite a few years back. It was, you know, like this instant plumper, right? Nothing crazy, you know. It will just make your lips a bit fuller, maybe for 3 hours, but then will just go to their natural size. So don't expect, you know, like you're going to use something like that and your lips are going to stay fuller and nicer for the rest of your life. This is not going to happen with a lipstick or a lip gloss or whatever. So now on this product, it leaves fresh, cooling scents. Now, of course, they're not bigger. It smells nice, so yeah, it's a nice product, but as I said, don't expect to get like this crazy full lips from it. So yeah, those are the products from this Glossy box in this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I do a monthly this kind of videos, so you can also hit that bell notification, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.